Welcome back to Online Tools Master. In this video, we'll explore a brilliant way to instantly transform the color of any PNG icon using the Icon Color Changer by Browserling. To get started, open your browser, head over to www.onlinepngtools.com and find the tool titled Change Icon Colors. This tool lets you change specific colors in PNG icons. Perfect for adapting icons to a new theme, brand color, or just for fun. You can set the initial color by name, hex, or RGB code, or click directly on the icon preview. The replacement color can be picked from a palette. Adjust the color similarity percentage to also affect close shades, and use edge smoothing to blend color boundaries. You can even preview all changes using a modification mask, where changed areas appear in black. We start with a black Android icon and change its color to a vibrant green shade, which is hex 78C259. To make sure not only the pure black but also darker shades and semi-transparent areas are recolored, we set the initial color to black, the desired color to vibrant green, and increase the color similarity to 70%. We enable smooth color edges with a radius of 1 to make the transition at the edges look clean and natural. To visualize what areas were changed, we enable display color modifications, which shows the modified pixels in black and the unchanged in white. After reviewing the result, we click Save to download the newly recolored Android icon. In this example, we upload a colorful birthday cake icon that has an orange frosting layer. Our goal is to change the frosting to a bright pink shade, and to do this, we pick the initial color as RGBA 255, 98, 64, 255, that's the orange, and set the new color to RGB 245, 85, 236, which is the pink. A color similarity of 18% is selected to make sure subtle frosting shadows are included in the recoloring. We also enable edge smoothing with a radius of 1 to get a gentle color blend, and turn on display color modifications to review all affected areas. Once satisfied with the pink transformation, we click the Save button to download the updated cake icon. Here, we take a classic red Pinterest icon and recolor it to a dark slate blue to match our site's color palette. We begin by selecting the initial red tone as RGBA 231, 0, 30, 255, and the desired color as dark slate blue. Since the icon may contain multiple red hues and subtle highlights, we set the color similarity to 90% to ensure a comprehensive replacement of all red tones. We also activate smooth color edges with a radius of 1 to refine transitions and use the display color modifications option to confirm that all red areas were affected. With the final dark blue icon ready, we simply hit Save to download the result. Give it a try! Visit the Icon Color Changer tool, you'll find the link to this tool in the description below, or just visit www.onlinepngtools.com and explore it for yourself. Also check out our previous videos on Pixelate a WebP and create a transparent WebP. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tutorials from Online Tools Master.